Welcome back to the channel. Today the road takes us to Shoshone, California. You're probably thinking to yourself, where's Shoshone? I'm glad you asked. We'll talk about that today. If it's your first time here, welcome. Go ahead and give us a comment. What's your favorite town in California? Your favorite small town in California? Give us a like, give us a follow. We're trying to grow this little channel into something, and it would really help us. So let's talk about Shoshone, California. So Shoshone, California, it's not a lot. It's a cute little town. There's an intersection behind this date tree. If you go that way, that's a half hour to Pahrump, Nevada. If you go that way, it's an hour to Baker, California, right off the 15 on the way to Vegas. If you go through town, we're about an hour from Death Valley, the Furnace Creek entrance. So it's a little town, and it can get you anywhere, as long as it's one of those three places. The town was founded in 1910 by Mr. Fairbanks. His daughter and her husband took over when he passed away, and their family still owns the town. We're up here at the cemetery, and his daughter married Charles Brown. That's right, Charlie Brown. He's not a clown. And these are all the Brown relatives buried here. All right, over here, ooh. So in that corner over there, let's go check it out. Hold on. So across the street is the Shoshone airstrip, and there's actually a plane there today. The airstrip gets about 58 landings a month. It's a little private airstrip. Also down this road, about 9 miles, is the Tacoma Hot Springs. The reason I like to come here is there's a cute little motel, the Shoshone Inn. It's been remodeled in the last 5 years. It's very nice. And you can usually find a room there for a fraction of the price of staying in Death Valley. So Baker, Tacoma, Pahrump. Oh, it's also about an hour and a half to Las Vegas that way. And this way is to Death Valley, Furnace Creek entrance. The town has a post office, sheriff's station, which I've never seen open today. Highway patrol, there's probably like 5 or 6 cars over there. That's unusual. They have a great little museum. It's in an old gas station. They have a lot of authors who write about the desert there. In about 2 weeks from me filming this, they're gonna have Brent Underwood from Cerro Gordo and Ghost Town Living here talking about his book. I'll be doing a talk and a book signing. I'm hoping to come back for that. If so, I'll put it in the channel. Also, I love Death Valley. I come out several times a year, and if I remember, I will put my Death Valley playlist here. Here? I don't know where. If not, if I forget, which I probably will, you can just go to my playlists and see all our Death Valley videos. We have reviewed most of the hotels and motels and cabins in the park. We showcase several of the hikes and walks and drives. So if you like Death Valley, check those out. Alright, there are a lot of little buildings left. Someone lives there. I've never seen this building open. what they call the Flower Building is where they have a lot of talks for the museum. It seats a couple hundred people. Also, this is your last place to get gas or any kind of services until you get to Baker or Furnace Creek. The DV up on the hill for Death Valley. The building right there, that's the sheriff's station. Next to it is the Crowbar Cafe and Saloon, the famous Crowbar Cafe and Saloon. Opened in 1910 by Charles, don't call me Charlie Brown. And it's been open ever since then. Good food. They open breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I had dinner there last night. I'll be having breakfast after I film this. They have a bar. They have the old tin ceiling in there. Has a really good feeling. Next to that is the museum gift shop visitor center. If you're here and you need Wi-Fi, they have Wi-Fi there. They ask for a small donation for that. But if you, so do that. Here we have the post office. The Chaz Brown and Company Post Office Market Liquor Souvenir. Gas is kind of crazy because we're in the middle of nowhere. Yesterday, I live outside of LA and gas was $3.99. So it's more here. But you're in the middle of nowhere, what are you gonna do? So, Sheriff's Department, Crowbar, Cafe Saloon, gift shop, post office. They also have some educational facilities here. I guess some of the colleges come out here and study. There are no crosswalks in Shoshone, so I'm going to try not to die. If you're watching this, spoiler, I didn't die. Sorry about that. Crowbar. The museum.
Shootout at Horse Thief Springs. Take a picture of that book. Wow, look at that. Oh, you know that whole 20-wheel canyon? Yeah, Alan. And you're like, oh, that looks cool. Right before Furnace Creek, there's a road called 20-wheel road, or 20-wheel. There's the 20 wheels.
I think this is new because the last time I was here, I don't remember this being here. A lot of the history of the area. It's free to visit, but they do accept donations, so please support.
Makes fresh pizza dough every day, built his own oven, all her sandwiches come out from
There's the Shoshone Inn. It says pool. I don't know where the pool is. Maybe it's out back. I don't know. Got charging stations. There's also a campground over here. They got a health spa over here. Middle of the road over here. This is where we're staying. Here's Shoshone Park. The road not taken by Robert Frost. Very apropos here. If you want to get your bearings straight. Oh, there's also a school. I'm guessing it's a K through 12. Probably handles Tacoma, Shoshone, and the surrounding areas. Alright guys, thank you for watching. This has been Shoshone, California. Hope you enjoyed that. We stay here a couple times a year whenever we come into Death Valley. If we can't get a room in Death Valley proper, we stay here. Love it. Highly recommend it. Eat at the Crowbar. Stay at the Shoshone Inn. Make a weekend of it. So thanks for watching. And again, please leave us a comment. What's your favorite little small town in California? Maybe I'll go visit. And we'll see you next time when we see where the road takes us. Thanks guys. Bye.